First, the top stories. Healthcare system significantly improving in Manipur, says Chief Minister Biren. Makhan People's Organization imposes indefinite ban on Imphal-Dimapur Road from this midnight. And Minister Nemcha Kipgen opens one-stop center OAC for Imphal West. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ Tabang giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today stated that the rate of patients going to other states of the country from the state for medical treatment has significantly reduced. It is a big sign of success in the field of healthcare system in the state, he said. The public members now have trust in the healthcare facilities of the state, he noted. The Chief Minister was participating in a function to celebrate anniversary of Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. The event was organized by State Health Agency at the auditorium of Jenims, Imphal.
It is part of Nasi Manipur's sudden change. I really appreciate Manipuri Prajai, the same Hagali. Nasi health sector the yam advanced way, Karigino. Mayam Hai Jenims me am chilly, Karigicillino, Tasaba Helaquini. Rims me am chilly, Karigino, Tasaba Helaquini. Even sky can give adagi like raspberry. Has a confidence helically meal up on not ready upon the way I am a certain.
The Chief Minister, however, admitted that RIMS and Jenims face infrastructural shortages, but gradual upgradation of infrastructures for the two premier hospitals of the state is underway to make them state-of-the-art hospitals, he said.
We have various awareness exercise in this scheme and they are given similar.
Referring to voter list update, Chief Minister Biren appealed that the task should be carried out in a manner that no voter is left out in the exercise. He also appealed that enrollment of voters should be done at the door of every household.
Deputy Commissioner Kuding Mangna Athu with the Kokolakanda Kana Kuma Belum Maram Sadana documents Sudana valid with legally valid with the Kanagumba voter list, Hapamagadi, Madu, Saba, Magi Mataka, action Logani, Habamagaloina, Kangalaga, Yam clear winner. A quick population yam the Benequise. A quisi Manipuri in a lady of Quise, Tankul Swagera, Maite Wigera, Maite Pangaloigera, or Bazada lady by Kuyahana in this name. I'm among the Gila Pushing Aduga Kongsai, Kissing Wigera. I could machine yam the Bene. I'm the hiring of Posse Yam the systematically Yam Pazana Hotel the Pamagi, Ibigunu, Yum the Sangakanda, identified to Ruga Ihanbu and Amadumai Abitozaninge.
Health and Family Welfare Minister L. Kumar also attended the function. He said a total of 57 PHSCs will be upgraded to health and wellness centers by 2020. He informed that till September 11, 2019, the Health Department has opened health and wellness centers at 157 PHSCs across the state.
More particularly, Doctor I spun Bharat it is very, very important. Not only Rajniti Ginatiku, I'm not talking about politics. But Mu Samaza Moina, Milukunaya Moina Lipakanda, Mu Napate with again I was saying the same. It could him out the Kutarkalim, Kulpone. I think law could him quite important laws, Karina Kushidam. High target the Constitution of India. Even Maduri Hindu work quite more of laws, Karino, high targeting the rule of prudence.
Makhan People's Organization MPO has called an indefinite ban along the National Highway No. 2 section Imphal-Dimapur Road to protest the failure of the Manipur government to nab the culprits involved in the Makhan Kulen arson attack that occurred on September 17. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club Imphal today, MPO President Henry K. Henny rejected as baseless the allegation in the media that Makhan villagers have encroached upon land belonging to Maram village. He claimed that the place where the arson attack took place is not a disputed site. He condemned the state government for its inability to nab the culprits. It may be noted that the September 17 arson attack at Makhan Kulen was due to a land dispute.
17 da mai thausi nakhoi aikhoi gi lamni chathokro sida leiguno khotkuno heba forewarning so amata su pide aduga provocation so amata su leite aduga makhoina nongalam da ahinda lakpa hebsi wakhanda jam phattana lakreba mi khatna ba chaina ba wor di jetna khotna raga phuna ba khotna ba nangso aisu una khotna ba dide amani mi tumlinga da tawge hena lakpusi di yam motive du phatre mi masidi mi obi gi lam chatna tre hebni kon hebni aduna asi mi thawai jam chae chapuni na government da culprit sing du phabiu dana mi bosomena mi amana somen tobodi yabra ni yaro ne khara tobiu da government su kri su action lo da ba lobby da ba adudi praja di saubuta ni.
State Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen opened a one-stop center OSC for Imphal West at Working Women Hostel IMA located at Hobam Marag Jingtham Leka, Imphal West today. Deputy Commissioner of Imphal West and Probeen, Jila Parishad Adakshya R.K. Taruni, District and Session Judge Imphal West R.K. Memcha and Social Welfare Director N.G. Uttam Singh attended the function. Addressing the gathering, Nemcha Kipgen said that OSC is set up under the sponsorship of Women and Child Development Fund, Government of India, to provide benefits to girl child and to solve problems faced by them in today's society. She informed that the Government of India has given permission to set up OSC in every district of the state, adding that the center will provide services such as quick rescue and response, medical assistance, lodging of FIR at police station, guidelines in law matters and providing shelter for dejected people. The minister added that crime against women in the state is increasing in an alarming rate and OSC is a good tool in tackling it. She also appealed to every OSC workers to give their service with utmost sincerity for development and welfare of the society.
One-stop center da refer to biduna center asigi asina piriba service asi pangnaba hotna biu one-stop center singe da thabak to biriba khudingmak nasu pukjel segna awaba tareba mioi singbo minung siga loina na lona chana to bigado bani amadi counseling ningthina bibigadobani Manipur da leiriba stop one stop center sing asi henna apaba maongda thabak toba ngamnabagi hotnabada praya miyamgi mating yamna leiri.
Manipur Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Syam launched a job app called eThabak today at Manipur Press Club Imphal. The app was developed by a 13-year-old student of Temple of Learning Kanchipur, Baldeep Ningthausam from Khanaurimlekai in collaboration with LMP Technology Private Limited. Talking about the app, Baldeep said the app will bridge the communication gap between the job seekers and the job providers. A computer buff, Baldeep also has been a part of various apps developed in the state.
Masigi apps kano hojik thabak kauriba mi ngai na mana kauning ba thabak ngai do adu ngai do sigi apps da kauraga thabak thiba mi ngai duna job providers ngai na kauriba thabak ngai do adu do thiraga apply do bayani auga masigi apps kano java language te iba app ni aduga magi server side programming na PHP da e adu database na MySQL ngai.
Besides, Minister Karam Syam, Managing Director of LMP Technology Private Limited, Ningthausam Amujao Singh and Pradhan of Langthawal Ahibam Sunanda Devi attended the event. In his speech, Karam Syam underscored the need to join the current technology race. He urged for taking full benefit of information technology, saying people who cannot access internet is just like going blind. He appealed to the youth of the state to take advantage of the eThabak app.
Mobile apps, mobile any internet private government
Manipur State Museum celebrated its 50th Foundation Day and valedictory function of Cultural Appreciation course at the complex of Manipur State Museum, Imphal today. The program was organized by Manipur State Museum, Department of Art and Culture, Government of Manipur. Art and Culture Minister L. Jayantikumar Singh, Commissioner of Art and Culture Bobby Y. Khom and Director of Art and Culture A. Shivdas Sharma attended the function. Minister L. Jayantikumar said that the present condition of Manipur State Museum does not catch up with the current trend. Jayantikumar assured that he will make best effort to revamp the State Museum, which signifies the cultural heritage of Manipur. He also said that the museum displays the history of Manipur. As part of the event, prizes were also distributed to the winners of the painting competition held yesterday in connection with the Golden Jubilee event. Certificates of Cultural Appreciation Course 2019 were also distributed to the 2019 batch students. A souvenir on Manipur State Museum on completion of 50 years was also released as part of the program.
Achauba makhali mirror mani and habitai madune apana state museum butoise mashi makwen ngak changi yemu badal education do madada maron thokta ba makhali pochi mayam the so called artifact mayam then lead wari sing do in a very philosophical manner amada kanagum ayiwa mana pratibha leiwa mana madan bunda khanba taragade Pairani Thang Dokanagino, Churchal Maharaj, Lady Makali Pambam Dokanagino, Nintoguna, the Pamam Bagini and Haimakanda, Maduki quote me and Maron talk to quote me up, the lowly Makali Marona Masung, leading Makli Wari and I will say, Maduka collect on Honor, it takes one's lifetime. Me may put in a British no Honor, but I'm Chang Makali Pole.
A 5-day training program on entrepreneurship and skills development program on production of essential oils in field and its marketing kicks off today at Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises MSME Technology Center, Imphal Food Park, Nilkuthi, Imphal East. The training is jointly organized by Fragrance and Flavor Development Center, FFDC, Kanuj and MSME Technology Center, Imphal under Ministry of MSME, Government of India with sponsorship from National Scheduled Caste Scheduled Tribe Hub. Project Coordinator of MSME Technology Center Imphal, Dr. Yoren Tomba Maite explained that such training for Scheduled Caste Scheduled Tribe aims to enhance the Scheduled Caste Scheduled Tribe across the state, along with the increase in the production of various aromatic and medicinal plants. During the 5-day training and technical session, the trainees will be given the knowledge of how to extract essential oils along with different processes for increase in production and to identify the market for proper selling.
Koi main mandate aromatic medicine plant based that based over dumba entrepreneurs ingi moi ki technical support pina bana lejabani aduna sagi koina tokjak ngasi sinja doi program sina program ki theme do haijeri production of essential oil in the field and its marketing and haijeri sigi matang sidang sagi karamba pambi sagi moi as a business when a commercial scale the venture tauraga Sai pambi se karma pambi tharaga then kamaina looga then magi processing thauk sungna bagi processing don karamba processing sinaraga magi production level hena phanganba then profitability margin hena phanganba and then loisalakuda kuje koina thada jagriba pesa mayam sei koina pesa ton thopang am doje kram kandano market la kandani maintona kwaidagi maru oiba component oiba market linkage pi bido adugi matangda मैम खांगनबा हायनबा then as an entrepreneur oina tholokpa yanabagi technical support pina bidamta je hairiba training program se chinjabani.
Well, it's time now for a short commercial break. Coming up next, Figokta announces series of stirs. Stay tuned.
Mega Monsoon Offer. Be a lifetime subscriber of lamjingbatomtv daily newspaper at Rs 10,000 only. For more details, please come and visit our lamjingbatomtv office at Uripok Laikurembi Laikai, Imphal West, or contact us at 8837353352 or 9402991938. Maitai Singi Puwari ga sagon aduna laklaba mafam ama oiriba Sagolban Thangapat leiriba the Thangapat Restaurant and Departmental Store ngaihak awaba pothafam ama oibata natana restaurant manungda yaujariba inbuilt departmental store da adomgi household items singsu phangbiragani. Veg amadi non-veg ki menu items sing na adomgi taste bud to satisfy oihaliba menu items sing enjoy tobiyo. Amadi Thangapat ki view enjoy tobiyo. Langston Biraksi, the Thangapat Restaurant and Departmental Store.
Welcome back after the break. Federation of Government College Teachers Association for Gokta has expressed dismay over the alleged indifferent attitude of Manipur government towards the plight of the teaching community. The association organized a press meet at Imphal Press Club today. Criticizing the state government's alleged negligence towards the plight of teachers, General Secretary of Gokta Dr. N. Somorendra announced that the association has decided to launch strike to push for its demands. He further said even though they have submitted a memorandum to the Education Minister with regard to the 7th Pay Commission, there has been no action so far in this regard. The teachers will take a mass casual leave on September 24th and 25th as part of the initial protest, he announced. Adding that on September 26th, the association will hold a meeting at the community hall of Kesampat Lemazam Lekai, which will be followed by a meeting at different colleges on September 27th and 28th. He threatened that if the government fails to meet their demands after these protests, they will launch a cease work strike from October 3rd.
Makal ki agitation khongjang gi sangsal lagane apoi lauthok sa gibani adugi matungina 24th September 25th September habedi hayeng ga hangchika se college gi ojak government college ojak khuding mangna mass casual leave silogani aduga ani suba 26th September 2019 sina khoi gi ojak khuding mangna college ojak khuding da punsal laga akhoi sit-in protest tawgani aduga ahum suba dana khoi gi 27th September 28th September sina akhoi gi college da wakat mi pap sit-in protest se college da sing na tawgani government na karigumba response amta pibi raktaba targadi khoi gi 3rd October 2019 dagidi khoi sejwaki khongjang se khoi college da khuding mangna punna tawraga sangsan jargadi.
As part of the Hizam Irabot month observance, the Jananeta Irabot Memorial Trust JIMET Jiribam, led by lifetime President Dr. Chandam Kamal Singh, interacted with the students of Jiribam High Secondary School, Babupara, recounting the life and work of pioneer Irabot. Later, Finance Secretary of JIMET T. Sanjit Singh also interacted with the students. Sanjit said that such awareness program will also be held at other schools of the district. The program was also attended by other leaders of JIMET.
Awareness program ma sathajabani satra singh sida Irabot ki punsiwari ma kamai na hoki ma kamai tawki habisi to tawno dang ta ahan bagi oina hojik akoi Jiribam Higher Secondary School sida tawsani.
A health and wellness center under Ayushman Bharat was opened at Kaching district today by District Health Society Kaching. At the event, Chief Medical Officer, Mission Director Kaching Dr. T.A. Somerendro, Nodal Officer of NDC Clinic, HWC and Quality Assurance, Dr. H. Surjit Kumar, and member of Kairak Gram Panchayat Sandhyarani were present. In his speech, Chief Medical Officer, Mission Director Kaching Dr. T.A. Somerendro said the Health and Wellness Center will provide maximum service to the people. The center will provide medicines for non-communicable diseases like hypertension, diabetes, cancer, along with conducting routine immunization for mother, child and pregnant women. He added that a community health officer will be in charge of the Health and Wellness Center. Saplings were also planted around the premises of the center.
Manipur government Masigumba Air and Well Gas Centers and implement Taulawi Namakta Masiseret Tawali.
ASHA workers and midday meal workers organized an awareness program on mental health under District Mental Health Program Imphal West at Iravan Bhavan yesterday. Speaking to TOMTV, psychiatric social worker of Manipur Health Services, Tayanjam SURAJ Kumar said the awareness program was a part of the World Suicide Day, which is held on September 10th. The program highlighted on how to prevent suicide and its effect in the society. K. Sunita Devi has been selected for Rajkumar Buddhimanta Singha Memorial Award 2019. Sunita is the daughter of well-known Nritya Guru Thyam Tarun Kumar Singha. The award will be presented to her by Chief Minister of Tripura Biplop Kumar Dev during the Platinum Jubilee celebration of Manipuri dance. Sunita teaches Manipuri classical dance at Biswa Bharati. Some of her popular dance dramas are Basanta Usop and Bor Shamangal. She has also been awarded with Guru Tarun Kumar Memorial Gold Medal and Dev Jani National Award 2017. As part of their permanent project since 2005, the Lions Club of Thawal provided edible items to Haikakpokpi Blind School under the theme Relieving Hunger. District Governor MJF Lion Prabhi Agarwal of Lions Club International District 322D, President of Lions Club of Thawal L. Marjit Kumar and General Presidents of the club were also present during the event. 4 bags of rice, 35 kgs of pulses, 1 kg of chili, 10 packets ngari, 10 packets of salt, 2 bags of potatoes, 10 liters of edible oils and 5 kgs of dried peas were given to the school. Hindi teacher of the school, Darsim appreciated Lions Club of Thawal for its open-handedness.
Sahi kuding magta sumay na mukoi niyang sili, koi blind ang angsing sibu, mitsu mukoi na niyang biraga, sipaw ubusu yawre, aduga mukoi mapaan nasalaga, tabag mukoi na tabusu layre. Mukoi na sumay na, mukoi pangsan kuding magsu, koi ang angsing sibu kaawal layte, mukoi na sumay na, madam kuding maakta nung sibu na, koi bu sa tok sa sintaw basu, mukoi na dumating pangbi, aduga, koi gi awat apa, mayam sa mukoi na, the
Apunba Maira Paibi Loop of Nambol area, along with Development and Protection United Voluntary Organization, has been relentlessly working and undertaking steps to prevent alcoholism and illicit drug abuse by young generation. Alcoholism and drug abuse among the youths has become a serious concern for the area. The organization has imposed strict rules against selling of intoxicants. The organization arrested one Ilangbam Ajit Singh, aged 40 years, along with 44 liters of illicit liquor. However, Ajit was released after he apologized and assured the organization that he would not to repeat bootlegging in future. A public meeting was held to discuss ways of revival for theatres in Manipur, organized by United Cine Exhibitors of Manipur at Samurao Machu Hall in Imphal West today. Several people working in the field of movie making and related activities attended the meet, where several resolutions were also adopted for revival of theatres in the state.
Afawalai, Fatawalai, Afawala Pomatam Kalishan Favomatam Kitan Kitanga, Adudiki, the Shase, Kaka, Tomjan Biraga, Hon Chagan, Wakando, Kitan Tambi.
Housing Hola Masam Kapa, Matamisuna, Hola Masam Kapa, Pasam, Adukmiti Sangre, saying that Pilam Toiba, Parusa Dudi, Sing Agadi, Mighty Mount Hanjale, Adu, Hona. Lupa koro saga thadu mamandi ngasibo da mahut hanjan de sumba khena ba khadi lai moina khangda bani hai na lo ai mo de lawni maram di kaino da hola je singna film je manipur da film namdi mamang da hon han la khrawni adu akoina sumai da na akoi gi hon isana hon am tawri habi napan laitebida matag chuna ba thabak khar tawri haida ni akoi je aina hana thangma khongthang di khidang handopna phare habi jai
ngasigi khanane na kriba wafam asigi ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯈꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯦꯞꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯖꯔꯕꯗ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯃꯇꯝꯒꯤ ꯆꯨꯅꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯠ ꯁꯥꯒꯠꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯅꯔꯦ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯨꯕꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯃꯥ ꯍꯣꯜꯗ ꯀꯥꯞꯂꯤꯕ ꯐꯤꯂꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ DVD ꯃꯥꯔꯀꯦꯠꯇ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯗꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯗ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯛꯇꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯂꯦꯞꯅꯔꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯗ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯔꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯤ ꯃꯤꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯃꯥ ꯍꯣꯜꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯧꯒꯨꯝ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯁꯦꯠ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛ ꯂꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯧꯗꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯂꯧꯔꯝꯂꯤꯕ ꯍꯣꯜ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯐꯤꯂꯝ ꯄꯤꯗꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯂꯦꯞꯅꯔꯦ ꯃꯔꯤꯁꯨꯕꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯃꯥ ꯍꯣꯜꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯕꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯍꯣꯜ ꯔꯤꯀꯣꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯑꯦꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯁꯟꯅ ꯑꯌꯥꯕ ꯂꯧꯖꯔꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯊꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯤꯊꯨꯡꯂꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯦꯞ ꯄꯤꯈꯤꯕ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯦꯄꯥꯎ ꯑꯁꯤ
Let's now take another short commercial break. Coming up, the Ministry of Ayush has approved a new form of Ayurvedic pen therapy device by a Naga practitioner, Imli Kumba Jameer. Do stay tuned.
Coil Green, India's #1 genset brand by Kirloskar Efficiency Integrated, is now in Imphal. Generator range 2.4 kVA to 1010 kVA DG set. Automobile engineering works at New Chakon Road, Imphal East, MI Store Building, 1st floor. Contact us at 9862-56601 or 038524520011. Authorized dealer, Kirloskar Gensets.
Welcome back. The Ministry of Ayush has approved a new form of Ayurvedic pen therapy device by a Naga practitioner, Imli Kumba Jameer, as per reports. The Panchakarma specialist has decided to use Naga chili, bhut jalokia and betel leaves as two new ingredients in the traditional mix of items that are generally used for relieving body pains. According to Notice Now, the traditional mix of ingredients that are used for providing pain relief comprises of common chili, garlic, ginger, rock salt and sesame oil. Jameer had replaced common chili with the Naga chili in order to give more pain in an affected area of a patient, which will help in reducing or killing the original pain. The betel leaf has been added to the traditional composition for its astringent property. Jameer, who hails from Nagaland's Mokokchung district, did his masters in Panchakarma from Karnataka. A private airline in Myanmar has said it is seriously considering flights between Mandalay and Imphal. Air KBG officials said their survey has found the route viable and the airline was keen to start the flight soon. But Indian ambassador to Myanmar, Saurabh Kumar, said Air KBG would be able to operate flights between Mandalay and Imphal only after the bilateral air services agreement ASA between the two countries is changed. He said, since Imphal is not among the points of call under the current agreement, it has to be added to the list in a revised agreement. Bilateral ASAs provide for carriers from the respective countries to operate flights to specified places in each other's territory. If Air KBG finally operates flights to Imphal, it will be the first foreign airline to run flights to the capital city of Manipur. That can give Manipuris air connection to other parts of Southeast Asia because Mandalay, the second biggest city of Myanmar, is well connected to China, Thailand and other destinations in the Asian region. Air KBG is a privately owned domestic Myanmar airline based in Yangon. At least 10 people were killed in a major road accident in eastern Assam's Sivsagar district this morning. The accident took place at Thaura Bridge in Dimo of the district along National Highway 37. The accident took place when an ultra bus on way to Dibrugarh collided head-on with a traveller coming from Tinsukia en route to Jorhat. The front portion of the traveler was completely destroyed by the impact of the collision. Though the locals immediately took the injured to nearby Dimo Model Hospital, another 6 of them succumbed to their injuries. Another 8 of the injured passengers have been rushed to Dibrugarh Medical College. Among them, the condition of 7 passengers is stated to be serious. Police are yet to identify the dead passengers. Police fear the casualty figure might increase. The Ultra bus bore registration number AS05C5999 and the traveler had the registration number AS23BC6878. The impact was so massive that the traveler vehicle was thrown off road to a deep gorge on roadside. It is learned that both the vehicles were in high speed despite incessant rain. Meanwhile, the driver of the Ultra bus had escaped from the scene of the accident immediately after the incident. Let's now have the sports news. In sports news, Bhaichung Bhutia-led United Sikkim FC shut down after 15 years. A popular club of Sikkim, United Sikkim Football Club, has been shut down after a journey of 15 years yesterday. The founders of the club, Bhaichung Bhutia, Arjun Rai and Sarab Lepcha, during a press conference at Football House here announced that United Sikkim FC would cease to exist from Sunday. United Sikkim Sporting Club was formed initially by the trio in 2004 and later it turned into a professional club for a short period in year 2011. United Sikkim FC USFC was the first club from Sikkim and the second from Northeast to play in the highest league of the country, I-League. After turning full into a professional club during that period, making an announcement in this regard, former Indian team skipper and founder of United Sikkim FC Bhaichung Bhutia mentioned that it was a very difficult and painful decision to shut down the United Sikkim FC after 15 years of existence. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Healthcare system significantly improving in Manipur, says Chief Minister Biren. Makhan People's Organization imposes indefinite ban on Imphal-Dimapur road from this midnight. Minister Nemcha Kipgen opens one-stop center OSC for Imphal West. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.